Hi, it's Mrs. Sipe, and I'm going to read for you a book called Pete the Cat and the Supercool Science Fair. It's by Kimberly and James Dean. They're the authors, and you remember James Dean is also the man who draws the pictures. He's the illustrator, all right? And Pete has his safety goggles on because he's doing a science experiment. And there's the back cover. And there's a volcano on the back. I wonder what that's for. But look, there is Pete and his friends. They're sitting down with some paper and a pencil. Looks like they're going to take some notes about maybe what they would like to do as their experiment for the science fair. Here's the title page, Pete the Cat and the Super Cool Science Fair. Pete cannot wait for Friday. His school is having a science fair. He even has it X'd out on the calendar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the 10th. We don't know what month it is, but it's the 10th day of the month. And he has a book that says Science Rocks. Pete has never been a scientist. Now he can try it out. He's going to school and he rode on the bus. Pete's teacher tells the students they will do experiments in groups. Pete is in a group with Callie, Gus, and Squirrel. Our experiment is going to be groovy, says Pete. What should we do? They are there with their paper and their pencil. They're going to write down some ideas. Let's build a mini submarine, says Callie. Or grow a giant tree, says Squirrel. Or invent an invisible guitar, says Pete. Why don't we make a volcano, says Gus. Whoa, they all say. Volcanoes are awesome. The group plans the experiment at Pete's house. His mom brings them snacks. Would any scientists like a cookie? She asked. They all raised their hands. The cookies are warm and gooey. The scientists check the big book of experiments for materials. They need glue, water, newspaper, paint, and a plastic bottle for the volcano. They need vinegar, baking soda, liquid dish soap, and a secret ingredient for the lava. Lava is the stuff that flows out of the volcano. It says what you will need, and it shows the picture of the volcano. Pete and Gus mix the glue and water. Squirrel and Callie tear the newspaper into strips. They cover the plastic bottle with glue and paper. It looks like a sticky white volcano. See it down there? Oh no, the paint in the brown bottle is blue. What are we going to do? Asked Kelly. They can't find brown paint anywhere. Who would have put brown paint? Because it says brown. Who would put blue paint into a brown container? What are they going to do? It's pretty cool, says Pete. Maybe it's okay that we have a blue volcano. We'll be the only group with a blue volcano, says Squirrel. So they're making the best out of a mistake. So it's not really a mistake. Let's test the lava so we know the volcano will erupt at the science fair, Pete says. Gus pours baking soda and liquid dish soap into the volcano, and Callie adds vinegar. Nothing happens at first. All of a sudden, a lot of lava starts coming out. Super cool, says Callie. The team high-five each other, but the lava is still coming out. Soon it is a huge mess. See, it's starting to come out all over everything. Oh, Mom isn't going to be happy, says Pete. At least the scientists are ready for the fair on Friday. Now I'll show you the whole thing. There it is coming out. Looks like, why wouldn't Mom be happy? Well, it's making a mess all over her floor. When Pete and his team arrive at the fair, they see all the other groovy experiments. They all look awesome. Grumpy Toad and Octopus grew rock candy in a jar. That's pretty cool. Emma and Muffy made slime. We don't stand a chance, says Gus. Don't worry, we have the secret ingredient, says Pete. He has an idea. There's a light bulb. What do you think the secret ingredient might be? Hmm. At the science fair, Pete's teacher loves the blue volcano. Wait until you see it erupt, Pete says. The whole class watches Callie pour vinegar into the volcano. What do you think's going to happen? See if you're right. See if you guess correctly. A second later, glitter lava gushes out. Everyone cheers. The scientists cheer the loudest. Look at all the glitter in the lava. Did you guess that was what it was going to be? I didn't. That's pretty super cool, isn't it? Science experiments are hard work, says Pete, but being on an awesome team makes them a whole lot easier. And they won the trophy for the coolest experiment at the science fair. It was a pretty good book. Some of you maybe are doing some science experiments at home right now. If not, maybe sometime in the future you'll be doing some science experiments and maybe you'll make a volcano. So I miss you. I'll see you soon. Bye.